Explore Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilaban pun orlong e kathong gojongpi. Ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Pulit ka East Jaintia Hills District kara bat shop shabar ka khradap yu president ka Jaintia Gold Owner Miners Supplier and Workers Association uba Marshal Biam bat ye di khot jongane ka Sngi bla panlong ye ka Jingki Shah Thngan ka ba Khlem Sngi ha ka shitarik jalliu arja pan riu kat kum ka jingtip blai alum ka jingpanlong ka Jaintia Gold Owners Miners Suppliers and Workers Association ya ka Jingki ajal durmat jukeng nang ba abdana po plau jok office deputy commissioner ka dek bomsem lapan jingbit pada kapor janmi ki Pulit labe yid khat jongani ka Seng but shop lut shabar jo khardap ka office deputy commissioner yekino yeki
the police department I fight for the right Please control. No, sir. Whatever. I fight for the right for my own people. Not against the police department. I fight for the right. I'm not against the police department. I love the police department. Who are you?
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.